How to convert and open Apple numbers file in Excel on Windows PC. There are a few ways to convert and open an Apple numbers file in Excel on Windows. Here are two methods. Method 1. Using the Numbers app. If you have the Numbers app installed on your Windows computer, you can use it to convert the numbers file to an Excel file. To do this, open the Numbers file in the Numbers app, and then click on the File menu. Select Export to, and then select Excel. The Numbers app will convert the file to an Excel file, and you will be able to open it in Excel. Method 2. Using a third-party converter. There are a number of third-party converters that can be used to convert Apple numbers files to Excel files. One popular converter is Samsar. To use Samsar, upload the numbers file to the Samsar website, and then select Excel as the output format. Samsar will convert the file, and you will be able to download it as an Excel file. Once you have converted the numbers file to an Excel file, you can open it in Excel by double-clicking on the file. The file will open in Excel, and you will be able to view and edit it. Method 3. Open and edit Apple numbers files on a Windows PC using iCloud. To do so, use the iCloud version of Numbers to upload and download the file as an Excel format. Here are some additional tips for converting and opening Apple numbers files in Excel on Windows. Make sure that you have the latest version of the Numbers app installed. The latest version of the Numbers app includes a number of improvements that make it easier to convert numbers files to Excel files. Use a third-party converter that is compatible with Excel. Not all third-party converters are compatible with Excel. Make sure that you choose a converter that is known to work with Excel. Save the converted Excel file as a .xlsx file. The .xlsx file format is the most recent version of the Excel file format. Saving the converted file as a .xlsx file will ensure that you can open it in future versions of Excel.